Hi there, my name is Scott Pohl. I've been in the pro shop business for over 30 years, four-time Team USA member. One thing that's extremely important is getting your bowling ball resurfaced at the pro shop. I do this a lot, quite regularly, especially when I notice certain things happening with my bowling ball. Kind of think of it as a tire going down the road on your vehicle. It starts to wear out, smooth off in certain spots, right? Well, what do? They can either replace the tire, get it rotated. It's the same thing with a bowling ball. We want to have good traction on that ball as it goes down the lane. What if we don't? Well, the ball doesn't hook the right way, there's a lot of pin deflection, and it just won't carry very well. I have 3 different bowling balls in front of me. They were all finished a different process. Well, you know what? This one is very shiny, this one's kind of in the middle, and this one is very dull and porous. For example, we started out with this one. This is a 2000 grit out of the box. Well, after we bowl with it for a while, it changes. The surface starts to look a little bit shinier, and the finish actually gets to more like a 4 or 5000, even looking more like this type of ball. Well, what I want to do then, I'll resurface that ball. What I like to do, start out with a very rough grit, get those pores going again in the ball, start with maybe 360, go 500, 1000. On this one we finished it with a polish. This one was 2000, and here we went 3000. Strongly recommend keeping that finish right. 75% of bowling ball reaction is having a good surface, keeping it nice and clean. I guarantee you, stop in the pro shop, they'll help you out.